Hey guys, warm up number 31. I'm gonna run through the answer, try to knock it out pretty quick. Looking at it, pretty much which equation best represents the line of best fit of the data. All right. We're talking about somebody based on their age and based on height in inches. So as the years progress, this person is getting taller. It is in slope intercept form. You can see I wrote it up over here where y equals mx plus b. That's the form that it's in. If you remember, B is our y-intercept. So it's wherever it intersects the y at. Well, it intersects right around 40, okay? So immediately, there's only two options. Well, it's not starting at positive 20, and it's not starting at 23 inches. So option one and option two are out. Yep, but my pen doesn't work. So option one and two, or A and B, however you want to look at it, these two are definitely not worth it at all. All right, not going to work at all. Now, the next thing that I have to end up looking at is my slope. So what does it increase by? And if you remember, I could count up and over, but it's just weird, and both of these numbers are super close. So I'm going to pick 2 points. All right. First point I'm going to end up picking is an easy one. I'm going to end up picking 0 and 40 because I moved 0 on the x and up 40. So my first ordered pair I'm going to pick is 0, comma 40. And my second point, I'm just going to come over here and try to find an easy number. 20, and it intersects pretty much right at 65. So my other point I'm going to pick is going to end up being 20, comma 65. To find my slope, I use this formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, because apparently you're supposed to remember these formulas for the rest of your life because you guys are going to use them every day. You're not going to use them every day, guys. But theoretically, you should know this. This is going to be the best way to find the slope out. I'm going to end up calling this x1 right here, and I'm going to call this y1 because remember it's x then a y. Then this I'm going to call this x2 and then y2. And now all I do is plug them in. So it's 65 because that's y2. All right, everybody see that? Y2 is 65 minus y1, which is 40. So it's 65 minus 40 all over x2 minus x1. So it's 20 minus 0. And 65 minus 40 will end up giving me 25. And 20 minus 0 will end up giving me 20. If I plug this in the calculator and divide it out, I would end up getting an answer of 1.25. So my slope is approximately, because it does say line best fit, it's going to approximately be 1.25x, and my starting point was at 40.67. If you pick C or D, great job. Either one of those, great answers, because at least you knew it started at 40. A and B, honestly, just terrible choices. Shouldn't even picked A and B. If you picked either one of these, great job. If you got C, of course, better job. Maybe you just got lucky. Maybe you remembered how to do this. Either way, great job. I will talk to you guys later. This is the answer for warm up number 31.